What are you going to say?
So today you're initiating the campaign for Fit India movement. So you just started the walk.
Yeah.
So are you going to do this on a regular basis?
Yes, absolutely. This is an initiative that we have started. We should walk to office, and we are planning that at least once a week we should walk to office. And this has got multiple benefits, as I was mentioning. It's not just about health, but I think you cut costs, you reduce the CO2 emission because quite a number of cars follow the CN's convoy, and it reduces the traffic jam. And I think these are multiple benefits that are there to a program like this. And I urge all citizens of the state to follow this and try whenever possible to not use a vehicle and walk to their workplace.
So yesterday you had mentioned that students should go to schools and colleges working at least once or maybe on a regular basis. So what about people going to marketplaces when they go? Because we see a lot of vehicles in the market. So would you like to ask the state, the people that...
I mean, I would like to urge everyone, but it is not fair for me to force anybody. It's something that is done at least at a voluntary level for the time being, and we want people to join this campaign. But then